Je vois la violence. Oh, mais t'es mon amour, les mots dont tu les jettes, et ça ne fait que de cacher.
Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is a Chanel makeup haul video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this Chanel makeup haul video. And ladies, this video is all about the makeup products that I have right here in these Chanel boxes. So before I share with you ladies all of the makeup products that I bought from Chanel, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, and hair product review videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And of course, my channel is all about how to look sophisticated, chic, elegant, and sexy. So I will be posting new videos every Sunday on my channel. And like I said, if you are into wanting to learn how to look sophisticated, chic, and sexy, then definitely subscribe to my channel. So ladies, this video is all about Chanel makeup. Now, I adore anything Chanel. Okay, I absolutely adore anything Chanel. And I do own about, quite a few Chanel makeup, particularly the lipsticks. So I've decided to go ahead and get some more lipsticks from Chanel. And also I want to mention that the lipstick that I am wearing in today's video is also a Chanel lipstick, and that one is called Pirate. So I'm just going to leave all of the information down below in the description box for this lipstick and any of the lipsticks that I'll be sharing in today's video. So let me go ahead and get started with the unboxing. And like I said, I adore anything that has to do with Chanel, whether it is the handbags, the jewelry, the makeup, like anything Chanel, I absolutely adore. So now let me go ahead and do the unboxing. And one of the things that I really appreciate about Chanel is the packaging. Packaging is always sophisticated, always chic, always luxurious. That's what I adore about Chanel with their packaging. So here is the first Chanel box, and of course I made 2 separate orders on the Chanel website. So I ordered one item, and then I went back later during the day and then I ordered another item. So that's the reason why I have these 2 boxes. So of course, if you've never ordered anything from Chanel, it always comes in either a box that look like this, that has the ribbon tied up into a bow, or it comes in a box that looks like this, okay? And all of your orders from Chanel comes with a receipt that looks like this, and then it says Chanel right in the middle. Okay, so the receipt is in this black envelope. And the return label, everything is in this black envelope right here. And so like I said, I really adore the packaging. And I usually keep these boxes to store things and to kind of display the boxes either in my bathroom or in my room. And these boxes are really good to store different items, jewelry, any type of things that you have laying around. You can definitely store them in these boxes. The boxes are really, really sturdy. And, you know, they look really elegant as well. So now let me go ahead and open it up, do the unboxing. I absolutely adore their packaging. And here it is. Okay, so here how it looks like. And I ordered, of course, when you order online, they always ask you to choose 2 samples. And so I basically chose 2 mascaras. Okay, so here's the first one. And here is the second one. And all of their samples come in this black pouch that says Chanel on there. And I keep these as well, ladies, to kind of store some jewelry or, you know, to store anything that needs storage. I usually keep these. And these are really, really sophisticated and pretty as well. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put the samples back into the pouch. So now let me go ahead and share with you ladies what I got. So I ended up getting one of their liquid lipsticks, and I actually own this liquid lipstick, and I wanted to kind of replenish the lipstick because I'm kind of running out of it right now, so I ended up getting a new one. And this one is Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue. Okay, so here it is right here. And I do have the old packaging of this lipstick. So here it is. Of course, I had to get a red lipstick from Chanel. Okay, so it's in red, and this is the color 47. So 47 Daring Red. And here it is. Okay, so this is what I got. I will be doing an in-depth review on this as well in the next few weeks. And so that's that order. So now moving along to this box right here. Okay, and here it is right here, ladies. And the tissue paper, like I said, if you've never ordered from Chanel, it says Chanel all over it, and then it has the Chanel sticker right here. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay, and here is the box. And the same thing, I ended up getting the 2 samples. Again, I ended up getting the mascaras. Okay, and here is the pouch. And like I said, these pouches are really good to just keep things in. You can definitely put your jewelry in there, or put any type of anything that you just want to throw into your purse. Really, really good. And so here is the item that I ordered. And this is a Rouge Allure Velvet. Okay, so another Chanel lipstick. Comes in this packaging. Of course, the typical Chanel packaging. And here is the lipstick. Now, the color of this lipstick is 5656 Rouge Charnel. Okay, Rouge Charnel. And And here is the lipstick. Okay. And here it is. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up of this lipstick, and I'm definitely going to be doing a swatch of both of the lipsticks so you can actually see how it looks up close. And as far as the pricing, each of these lipsticks are $38. Now, I know that $38 is really expensive for a lipstick, but ladies, you get what you pay for. These lipsticks are really good quality. They stay on your lips for a very long time. You don't have to keep on reapplying lipstick over and over and over again. And they're just really good quality. I absolutely adore Chanel lipsticks, and they're just good quality lipsticks. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up of the lipsticks. Okay, ladies, so here is the first makeup product that I got from Chanel. I wanted to do a close-up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of the swatch so you could actually see it. So here it is. It comes in this box, which is the typical Chanel box. Okay. And this is, again, Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue in number 47 Daring Red. And here is the lipstick. So this is a liquid lipstick, and I actually own this, like I said before, in the old packaging, and this is the new packaging. And this red lipstick is one of those red lipsticks that if you're looking for a really nice red lipstick to wear for the holidays, then this is it right here. This red lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. So here is the lipstick on this side. And then on this side right here is the lip gloss. So once you put on the red lipstick, then you put on the lip gloss to make it more comfortable. And I will be doing a makeup tutorial using this, and also be doing an in-depth review on this as well. So if you're thinking about getting it, like I said, I will be doing a review. Because these lipsticks, I mean, they're $38, but it is an investment. Okay, so moving along to the next lipstick that I got, which is this one right here, and the Rouge Allure Velvet, and the number 5-6 Rouge Charnel. Okay, typical Chanel packaging in the box. And here it is. And of course, with all of the Rouge Allures, you get the top that has the Chanel logo on top. And the way this lipstick opens, you just click, and it opens like this. And here it is. And it has the Chanel name stamped on the lipstick. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous red lipstick. Again, perfect for the holidays. I will be doing a swatch, either a video or a picture, so you could actually see how both of these lipsticks look like. So I'm actually going to be doing a video swatch instead of a picture. So let me go ahead and do the swatches right now so you can actually see how they look. Okay, so here is the swatch for Daring Red. Okay. Really, really pretty red. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch for Rouge Charnel. Okay, so here's the swatch for Rouge Charnel. Absolutely gorgeous reds. Okay, ladies, so that is it for this Chanel makeup haul. Now, I know this is a small makeup haul. I only got 2 lipsticks from Chanel, but I will be doing more Chanel makeup videos. So definitely be on the lookout for the Chanel makeup videos, okay? So I will be doing that. And also, all of the links for the lipsticks and also for the makeup that I am wearing on my face will be down below in the description box. And also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're looking for some fashion and style inspiration or outfit ideas or makeup ideas. You can definitely follow me on Instagram. That information is going to be down below in the description box as well. And ladies, that is it. I will be doing some makeup tutorials using these lipsticks right here, and I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, and more hair product review videos. Bye bye and God bless.